Really? That's so. I got it. I got everything I need to get. People know this. And the fisheries complex still, the boat is still out there. I don't know what's happening. This is same Eugenia Charles Boulevard. That's where the tourist ships normally come. And everything is flooding down crazily. You can see how high this is beating us. You can see how high this is beating on us. Everything is crazy. This place is Cocorico, water going down, so it's placed. All islands, all places on the bayfront is affected. Hopefully I put something on Google to identify this place. Well, this is the cruise ship berth. This is rebirth, I guess. This is some serious. Look how high. This is higher than buildings next to it. Quite exciting.